All right, class, I'm going to show you how to get 10 extra points on your final project. So when you're done with your project, I want you to go over here, go to project settings. No, I'm sorry, project manager. Make sure that it's selected over here, collect files and copy to new location. Uncheck this top one here. I want to keep your unused clips as well. So that'll copy everything that's in your bin. And it's going to make a folder with everything in your project and save it. We're going to click OK. Browser. So browse, we're going to find where we're going to put it. I suggest you go to your videos and just save it right in there. If you want to put it on your desktop or downloads and you know how to find it there, that's fine too. Click OK. It's going to take a little while. When it's done, okay, when it's done, I want you to put it in this folder, Fall 22 Final Projects Drop folder. It's going to take a few minutes to put it in there, especially if it's a bigger, more complicated file. And this folder right here is already shared with me. So just drop it in there. If you have your name on that title, it'll be easier for me to give you your points. And that's a 10-point bonus on your final project. Thanks, guys.